Sir, in the last video, we started a new online batch on core and advanced Python. We started a new batch on core and advanced Python. The timings of this batch is 6 to 7:30 p.m. Every day from 6 o'clock to 7:30 we will have the class, but this demo session will be having only 1 hour, 6 to 7. The duration of this batch is 40 days, sir. Exactly 40 hours we are going to take, and then we will wind up. Okay, then sir, 3 to 4 demo classes will be there, and the fees for this batch is 7,000 rupees, and you need to contact to this number if you want to continue from this batch. And this is the first demo link. So tomorrow, today's demo link is a demo also, they are going to upload in the YouTube. You can refer that also. Okay, then so this syllabus contains totally 4 parts of our Python. First one, fundamentals, functional programming in Python, object oriented programming in Python, and we are going to see the libraries also. And even we list outed all the syllabus which we are going to cover. So the first part is nothing but introduction to programming, and the second part is introduction to Python programming, and what are the fundamentals of Python we have, and the data types supported by Python, and even so input and output statements, and next and after that operators which are available in the programming, and even control flow statements. So data structures like string data structure. Okay, next and after that list data structure, tuple data structure, set data structure, dictionary data structure. All these data structures we are going to cover. Next and after that functional programming, and there are some predefined modules are there in Python. Those modules also we are going to cover. And even MySQL, yesterday itself I have shown, right? We are going to develop a small project on this also. We will read the data from the user, and we will do some computations, and we will return that particular data to the database. So how you can able to do that activity? So we are going to learn with the help of these two topics like MySQL and then PDBC, Python database connectivity. Next we are going to talk about file handling, and then object oriented. Sir, in the object oriented almost we are going to discuss 50 topics with a small mini project also. Then what is mean by regular expression, how to work with the regular expressions also we are going to cover. Regular expression in the sense, so we can define a format. Now, for example, if you take mobile numbers in India, the mobile numbers are going to begin with either 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or that's all. So it should begin with these letters. So whether it is beginning with that letter, and the length of this mobile number is always 10 characters, right? 10 digits, right? Is it satisfied or not? We are going to verify. And even Gmail ID, anything. So whether your data is properly following a particular format or not, we can check by using these regular expressions. And also we have web scraping. Web scraping means what? Extracting the data from website. I think yesterday we have seen one program also related to that, how you can able to extract the data from website. Then we are going to talk about exception handling, how you are going to take care of runtime errors. So today also I am going to show some programs on this. Then assertions error, assertions debugging process. If I want to work with any debugging process, then we have to go for these assertions. Then what is mean by multi-threading, how you can work with multitasking operations, and the introduction to the logging, how to create a log file, how you can able to write the information, and the pattern programs. Almost we are going to talk, so minimum 100 pattern programs we are going to discuss. Okay, so these are nothing but the 25 chapters what we have, which we are going to be covered in our Python course, sir. So it covers both the core and advanced Python fundamentals as well as advanced programming also we are going to take care. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. And now coming to the Python, sir. Who introduced Python? Who introduced Python? Very simple. There is one famous person is there with the name Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum. Sir, he is the founder of Python, sir. He is nothing but a founder of Python. Sir, in which year the Python has been developed? Means in the year 1989, when he is working at a national research institute. So when he is working at a national research institute, he developed the Python. So the official release of Python was on 20th January, sorry, 20th February 1991. The first version of Python came into the market on 20th February 1991. We can say this is nothing but our official uh, date of birth of Python. Okay, sir, how many Python versions are there? There are three Python versions are there. Python 1 is there, next and after that Python 2 is there, Python 3 is there. Sir, if you take other programming languages like Java, we have the Java versions from 1 to 18, and all these versions are, sir, do you know, if you are preparing any Java program in first version, definitely it will work in the 18 version also, but not in Python. In Python, if you are preparing any program in Python 1 version, make sure that it will work only in Python 1. Reverse compatibility is not there. Okay, yeah, please wait, Balaji, please wait. So if you take Python 2, the programs which are working on Python 1, definitely it won't work on Python 2, because even though we have three versions are there, these three are having different rules and regulations, sir. Okay, so a small note if I want to cover, so print like this we are going to use in Python 2 version. Okay, but if you are taking in Python 3, we are going to take like this in Python 3. So if you are trying to take this print statement in Python 2, it won't work, sir. Compulsory we have to take like this. So many syntactical changes are there, and so many data changes also there, like some new concepts are introduced, some old concepts are removed, like this. So many changes are there in the Python versions from 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. Now the latest version is nothing but Python 3, sir. We are going to learn Python 3.10. 3.10 in the sense, again in Python 3 we have almost 10 versions are there. We are going to cover what are the new features which are available in this. Okay, yes, this is nothing but just a small information about introduction, that's all, nothing more than this. Of course we are going to cover in detail in our upcoming classes, but just to give introduction, I have given this information. Yes, now whatever doubts you have, please you can go ahead.
Sir, is it audible, sir?
Yeah, yeah, audible.
Sir, sorry to interrupt the middle in the session, sir. Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, actually, I have been graduating my final year in my college, sir.
Okay.
I have cleared the TCS digital package of NQT through NQT, sir.
Okay, very good.
Sir, is it worth or is it enough to clear the interview if I learn all the topics which have been discussed through this month?
Yeah, it's more than sufficient. See, whatever required for the fresher in the companies, all the topics whatever there we are going to cover here.
Okay.
I mean, what I'm trying to tell is, sir, the concepts are very simple. When you are taking Java background or when you are taking Python background, forget about irrespective of programming languages, the concepts are same in both programming languages. So don't worry, we are going to cover all the necessary things whatever you required for the company.
Sir, right now I am writing my end semester examination, sir. When is the main class is going to be start, sir? That means the day one of the class.
Yeah, actually yesterday itself day one class, because the first 3 to 4 classes will be there like demos, that's all. Demos in the sense, just I am going to give the clarity on the programming language, how it will be, all these things. Maybe you can expect from Monday the regular class is going to be started.
That means I want to be fully concentrated from Monday class, sir.
Yes, from Monday class you need to concentrate, but before that compulsory you need to watch these videos also, because to get idea what we are going to take all these things.
Sir, how many days it will be this course, sir? Because actually I don't know anything. Afternoon itself I have been
Sir,
seeing
maximum, yeah, no problem. Maximum before August 30th, we are going to wind up this class, sir.
Okay, sir. Daily 6 to 7:30.
Yeah, daily 6 to 7:30.
Sir, daily classes. daily
Yeah.
classes will be available in daily in YouTube, sir. Whatever you have been teaching in the
No, no,
till
no,
these
no.
30 days.
No, sir. No, no. Only 4 to 5 days classes will be uploaded in the YouTube.
Okay, so
Remaining classes will be given as a separate.
is there any assignments or quizzes that are going to be conducted during these training sessions, sir?
Yeah, assignments will be there, but the quizzes we are not going to conduct for the students, but we will give multiple choice questions. We will discuss in the class itself.
Sir, okay, sir. Last one doubt, sir. How can I join these course from Monday itself? What is the payment mode and whom I want to
Yeah,
contact?
this is the number. Just I am sharing on the chat window. You can refer that.
Okay, okay. Thank
This
you,
is
sir.
7,000. You have to contact to this number and you need to get registered.
That means from Monday onwards, I want to attend the classes. Right, these sessions will be available on the YouTube. I can refer it in my free time.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you, sir. No more doubts, sir.
Yeah, right. Thank you. Sir, I request everyone to please confirm any doubts up to this. Yeah, please. If no doubts, please give me acknowledgement. Which one? Dilip Sharma. Which one I want to repeat? Please confirm. Yeah, don't worry about this introduction. All these things again we are going to cover. But see, because we are learning Python without knowing who introduced Python, what versions are there, moving forward is worst, sir. That's why just I have given a quick review. That's all. But anyway, in our regular class, we have introduction to Python programming. There again, I will give these details. Who introduced Python? What are the application areas? All these things I will explain. Don't worry, Dilip. Okay. Just as of now, just for demo purpose, I am giving the name without knowing the person who introduced Python. Learning Python is not that much recommended. That's why just I have given the clarity. Right, sir. Today I want to take some kind of programs, maybe some 5 to 6 example programs I want to show you, just to get a clarity how easy our Python programming is. Okay, so first program, write a Python program to print so hello message, to print hello message on the screen. Sir, I want to print hello message on the screen. How you can able to write the program? Okay, but don't worry, these are not in the part of syllabus. Just I am giving the overview. But anyway, later we are going to start actual syllabus, maybe from tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay, so I want to write a program to print hello message on the screen. How it will be? How it will be? Very simple, sir. In these we have different IDEs are there to run the Python program. But anyway, my recommendation is always better to go with, as usual, any editor. Okay, because if you type from the scratch, it will be very easy to understand. So if you take any predefined IDEs, IDE means what? Already they are having so many utilities. Like if you want to prepare a program, just if you take p, okay, automatically it will pop up all the list of available functions in Python. So that is never recommended, right? So because you need to learn as the learning stage, never recommended to go for any IDE. But of course, some are one or two concepts I will explain how to work with IDEs. Okay, so till that we are going to use this famous editor, which is nothing but Edit Plus. Remember carefully, this is nothing but Edit Plus software what we have. In this we can have syntax highlighting, all these things. Now I'm going to type a new Python program which is going to print hello message on the screen. Sir, I will go to file, I will select a new. So in this Python is not there. You can see here in this Python is not there. So what I'm going to do, select others. Sir, in this, what type of file you want to prepare? What type of file you want to prepare? Sir, which program we are writing? Python, right? It is not Java, it is not JSP, it is not JavaScript. Just select Python and click on OK. Now you can see an untitled document got opened here. Now you need to type the program here. So how to type? Just I am taking print within brackets. Just now I told, if you take hello, that hello message will be printed. So after typing the program, what is our next immediate activity? We have to save the program. So click on file and then go to save. So where you have to save? Sir, I am selecting C drive. In the C drive, there is one special folder is there with the name Prakash classes. In this folder, we have to save the file. Any name you can provide, sir. So I am giving the file name as a demo dot. The extension of the file must be always .py. So Python, okay, file extension Python file extension is .py, sir. If you take Java program, Java file extension is .java. Like this, every file is differentiated with the help of extension. So here also we have to type the Python program and you need to save with .py. Any name you can take, but here what is the file name that I have taken? Demo.py. So what is the program? This is the program what I have. Then, sir, my program is okay. I want to run this program. How you can able to run? So to execute this program, you need to open command prompt. Okay, you need to open command prompt like this. We are going to get where we have saved the file, sir, in C drive only, but in that Prakash classes folder, right? In this particular folder, we have demo.py file is there. Sir, I need to go to this particular path, but you are in C drive users path K Prakash Babu. So to come out from all these directives, you have to take CD backslash. So it came out from all the directives. Then CD space, sir, Prakash classes I am taking. Now it is entered into this particular folder. Now what we have to do? You can compile the program. Sorry, not compilation, direct execution will be there. You can execute by typing py space. What is the file name that you have given? Demo.py. So py is the command which is used to run a Python file. What is the file name that you are going to take here? Demo.py. Immediately that output came on the screen. Suppose if I am taking hello Prakash, save the file and re-execute this, you can see the difference. Okay, this is the way how you can able to execute a simple Python program. But don't worry, in further application I will explain the installation process there in detail. I will provide, sir. Okay, this is nothing but how you can able to print a simple message on the screen. Hope it is very clear for you people. Any doubt on this first program? Everyone please confirm. Yes, please confirm, everyone. Requesting everyone to please respond. Right. Right, sir. So second example. What is the second example that we have? So write a Python program. Write a Python program to find factorial of the given number. I want to write a Python program to find factorial of the given number. So in other programming languages, we have to take this program manually. So if you take Java program, sir, just now today only I have taken this program. Have a look once how much length of code you have to take to write the, sir, we are going to cover these kind of patterns, all these things in our program. Okay, so here today just I have taken a factorial program. 1 minute. Yeah, you can see, write a Java program to find the product of first n natural numbers, or it is the same as a factorial of the given number. Sir, these many lines of the code we have to write. Of course, one statement is used to read the number. Our last statement is used to print the result. Meanwhile, this is called as a logical part. This is the main part of the code. But how many lines of code we have taken here? Almost 3 lines of code. But in Python, all these things are not required. Only 1 line of code is sufficient, because this entire thing already they have kept in the library. Just we have to import this library and use the functionality. Sir, can we do it manually? Yes, of course. In our for loops I will explain that. But how to work with that? We have to import. There is one special module is there with the name math. Okay, first we have to import that module. Next, what we have to do? We need to find out math dot factorial of any number 5. Now I want to print this on the screen. So this program is going to find factorial for 5. So whatever argument that you have given for that number, it will find out factorial. So no need to develop any code by user. Already this factorial function is inbuilt available in math module. So why you have to take this math? Because I told everything is a form of library. Different libraries are there. Maybe it is a math library, it is a random library, so it is OS library, it is a logging library. Like this, different libraries are there. In that math library only we have this code. So to call this, we have to import this library, and then we have to call this. Now I want to execute this code. Let us see how you can run. Py space, in the same file only I have done the modification. That's why py space demo.py. Once if you press enter, you can see 5 factorial is 120. Okay, I didn't calculated manually. By using predefined function we have taken. Sir, can I read the data from the user? Yes, no problem. N is equal to, I am taking input. Input is a function which is used to read a value from the user. Input is a function which is used to read a value from the user. But this program won't work, sir. The reason for that is we will get error. Have a look once. What error we are getting? Array string object cannot be interpreted as an integer. So you have given a string that cannot be interpreted as integer. Sir, I have given number only. Sorry boss, whatever data you are giving, I will read in the form of string only. I won't accept in the form of integer. If you want in the form of integer, could you please typecast to integer? That's all. Now what happens? Whatever input you are giving, it will be typecasted to integer, and then it will be stored in n. Now I want n factorial. Sir, now will this program works or not? Yes, definitely. If I am giving 5, 120 is the factorial. If I am giving 10, this is the factorial. If I am giving 1, 1 is the factorial. Sir, what is the 0 factorial value? 1. So my application is working perfectly. This is nothing but how you can able to find factorial. Sir, don't assume star started Python classes. No, no. Just I am giving the overview how easy Python is. Try to understand the words. That's all. How to import, how to read the data, how to print, all these things step by step, functionality wise. I will take your hand and I will practice. Don't worry at all. But just demo purpose, right? You need to understand how my explanation is going. Okay, how easy Python is. To get that clarity, I am giving this. Sir, is this second program is clear for you people? Right, sir. Now we need to change the data type always to convert it into integer. No, Swapnil, for you I am going to take one more program. Observe carefully. Write a Python program to perform addition operation, addition operation on two objects. So because in Python everything is treated as an object, remember carefully, the Python is a very beautiful programming language which is going to treat everything as a object. So I am writing a small program, okay, for you. Listen, Swapnil. A is equal to int of integer. I'm int of input I'm taking. That means I want to read one integer value from the user. I'm taking one more integer from the user and I am performing a plus b. This is the program, right? Because you know very well, if I am giving 10 and 20, my output is 30. Suppose if I am giving one, then immediately we are getting error because it is not a integer. Whatever data you have supplied is not a integer. Sir, there is one more function is there with name eval. Eval. You can take like this. So eval means what? It will evaluate automatically whatever type of data that you have given. If you don't know the type, better to go for eval. If you know the type, corresponding functions are there. Typecasting functions are there. I will show you all the typecasting functions. If you want to convert to integer, int is the function. Int is the function. If you want to convert to float, float is the function. If you want to convert to complex, complex is the function. If you want to convert to boolean, bool is the function. If you want to convert to string, string is the function. But anyway, by default it will be always string. Now observe carefully, I am executing this code. Py space demo.py. First time I am giving two integer values. My result is integer addition. Now I am giving one and then two. So both are strings, right? So how you can able to perform addition operation on strings? It is not possible. Hence it is going to perform string concatenation operation and we are going to get that 1 2 like this. So even you can take a complex numbers like 1 plus 2j, something like mathematics, 1 plus 3j. Then what will happen? 2 plus 5j is nothing but our result. Sir, I have one list is there like 10, 20, 30. I have another list is there like 40, 50, 60, 70. No problem. List concatenation is going to be happen. So I have 1.2, 1.3, 2.5. Like this, whatever data you have supplied, based on this, automatically it will execute. So these many functionalities are there in Python. I think this third program also, it is very clear for you people. I think so. Yes, Swapnil, I think your doubt got clarified here, right? I request everyone to please respond. Any doubts up to this? Right. So now I want to show you one more program, example number 4. Okay, example number 4. So what is this program is, observe carefully. I want to write a Python program. I want to write a Python program, sir, to read information present in a file. Sir, I have a file is there. I want to read information present in the file. That is nothing but something like data. Sir, it is a very simple. You have to take f is equal to, there is one special function is there called open. Just we have to provide the file name. For example, assume I have a file called prakash.txt. So just you can use one special function called read. That's all. You can print that content. And after this, we have to close the file. How many lines of code we have taken? Only 3 lines. First line, I am trying to open a file with name prakash.txt. From that file pointer, I am going to read the complete information and I am printing on the screen. Sir, if I want to work with this, compulsory prakash.txt file should be there. Sir, is there any prakash.txt file? No, we don't have any. So what will happen? Let me run the code and see what output we are getting. Sir, it is telling file not found error. So no such file or directory with the name prakash.txt. Okay, sir, most beautiful code we can develop here like this. Sir, I am taking try. Of course, we will discuss about this later. Okay, sir, what error we got here? What error we got here? Except the error name, that is nothing but a file not found error. Sir, if a file not found error came, okay, file not found, correct spelling mistake, file not found error came, I want to display the message, the file which you are looking, the file which you are looking is not available. So please create and then run. Like this I am taking. That's all. There is one more block is there called finally. All these things we will cover in exception handling. So during execution of the program, if any issue occurs, okay, 1 minute. Better I will close here itself. Yes, now you can see, sir, what message we are getting. Instead of a previous message, I think this message seems to be very beautiful, right? I told in the yesterday's class, when you are dividing a number, so if you are taking 10 by 0, sir, what happens? 10 by 2 means it is printing, but if you are taking 10 by 0, it is telling cannot divide by 0. This is the meaningful message what we have. Okay, so in the previous case we have seen some error message which can be understandable by the programmer, but this can be understandable by anyone. So we are developing application for clients, that's why we have to take this type of scenario. Sir, what happen if the file is available? I'm going to create a file now. So the file name is prakash.txt. So hello, I am Prakash. So technical trainer. Okay, so in DURGASOFT, like this I am taking, just I saved the content. Now let us run this program. You can see the information which is there in the file is as it is printed on the screen. I think you got clarity how we can able to read data from the file. Okay, sir, in this, if you want, you can count how many vowels are there, how many consonants are there. You can copy the content of one file to another file. N number of things we can do, sir. Okay, so of course everything is going to improve our logical skills. Sir, hope it is very clear for you people, right friends? Any doubts on this code? Can we read any type of files? Yes. If you want to read, what type of file you want to read? Rajendra, please confirm. Sir, I am requesting every student to please respond. Any doubts up to this? No, no. So we can read the file supporting libraries will be available. In file handling, we have the topic also. Okay, you can see here, we can handle binary file, we can handle CSV file, we can handle Excel file, even JSON file also we can handle, but that is not included here. But anyway, I will cover that part also. Okay, PDF files, rest of the things we can do, but supporting libraries should be there. Okay. Yeah, we can work with XML files. It is always important, right? XML files. Yeah, you can work with XML files. We have Django framework. Django framework is there, right? It is going to work based on server. So their XML file configurations are very, very important. right? So I think no doubts as of now, right? Can I perform one more operation on this file? Please confirm. Okay, I will write the program title later. So I am going to work on this. Can we do? So I have AB is there, ABC is there, ABCD is there. Then sir MN, MNO, so MNOP, like this we have WX, so WXY, WXYZ, like this we have 3 lines of content is there. Okay, now F is equal to open of, what is the file name? Prakash.txt. Now I want to read the content. At last I will close. So data is equal to f dot read, right? So data 1 is equal to f dot read. I want to print data 1. Sir, let us see what output we are going to get. So whatever information is there in the file, as it is printed on the screen. Now, sir, observe carefully. I want to take data 2 is equal to list of data 1. Like this I am taking. Now I want to print data 2. Now see what happened. Have you observed? Every character is converted into list. So I don't want this kind of thing. Sir, I am going to take a data 1 dot split of sir space. Now see what output we are getting. Sir, you can observe here, we got data 1 based on split method. That means this is one character, this is one item, this is another item, this is another item, like this. So consider I don't want to take multiple lines, I want to take single line, because the program complexity is going to increase. Anyway, that we will cover in our regular class, because it makes some difficulty. Now run the program. You can see I got a list here where the entire data which is there in the file, I have splitted based on space. We got individual words. Okay, sir, up to this, do you have any doubts? So this is the output of data 1 and this is the output of data 2. I think it is very clear for you, right? Hash indicates comments. Now from this, sir, I want to filter only even length words, odd length words I want to remove. I need to take only even length words, odd length words I want to remove. This is nothing but my targets. Yes, this is the output. How you can able to do that? Sir, data 3 is equal to, so the data is available in which file? Data 2. Sir, for each item I in data 2, I am fetching the data one by one from data 2 and I want to put it in data 3. So for each I value, in data 2, take it in data 3. If you print data 3, data 1, data 2, data 3, let me print all this. Okay, now see what happens. Sir, this is the data 1, this is the data 2, this is the data 3. In the data 3, sir, we got every element present in data 2, but now my requirement is I want only even length. Very simple. You can write a condition. If length of I percentage 2 is equal to 0, if length of each item is divisible by 2, means then that item is a even length. I want to select only such a type of data. Now what will happen? Sir, we are going to get only even length words. So this is nothing but a simple program. What is the title of the program? Write a Python program to filter even length words, from a file, That's all. This is the simple program. How many lines of code we have taken? Almost hardly 4 or 5. If you want to only odd length, then what we have to do? If it is not equal to 0, then only odd length words it is going to filter. So just I am trying to project how easily we can able to code. Clear up to this? Everyone, please confirm. Clear up to this, please confirm. Right. So example number 6. So I want to write a small program. Okay, I want to write a small program. So write a Python program. Okay, so to select uh, random food. Okay, random food item. So from menu list I want to pick up a random food item, sir. That is my requirement. Let us see how you can implement this program. Okay, let us have a look once. Sir, I have a list is there. Okay, I have a list is there. In this list, first I am selecting, okay, sir, chicken biryani. Okay, so second item is, so mutton biryani. Okay, so third item is, so fish biryani. Okay, sir, fourth item is, yeah, prawns biryani. Okay, next I want to take egg biryani. I think all are non-veg items only, right? So from this I want to select a random item. So for that, don't write any manual code. We have a random module is there. So in that random module, there is one special function is there called choice. Just you have to send this name alone. So what will happen? It will select a random choice. It won't give every time one item. It will give randomly. Now let us run this code and see what happens. First time I am running, you can see we got a prawns biryani. Second time we are running, we are getting same. Oh, third time, sir, is the item changed or not? Fourth time. So like this, every time it is going to return one item. Okay, sir, seems to be how to work with a random numbers concept is my application, sir. Nothing more than this. Hope it is very clear for you people, right? So in tomorrow's session also I will cover one program on random numbers which will generate OTP. Sir, it is a very famous, right? One time password. How you can able to validate this? Sir, for my application I want 4-digit OTP. 4-digit OTP. I want to share this OTP to the customer. If that customer entered that OTP, I want to say he is the valid person. Otherwise, I want to say he is the invalid person. Like that, I want to decide. So for that, I have everything, but this OTP generation is required. So can you please do that for that? Yes, it is a very simple task. How many lines of code we have to write? Only 2 lines of code is sufficient. That we will see tomorrow. Right? Any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Requesting everyone to please respond.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, in this course, you will cover the linear data structures topic, sir.
Data structures by default available in Python. That's why we are not concentrating externally, but we are going to see what is what. Like list data structure is there. In that, by using that list data structure, you can perform all the linear operations, linear data structure operations like linked list, stack, queue, all these things you can do.
Okay.
But separately, we are not going to explain. But definitely, you can get stack, queue, or linked list. 1 or 2 programs I will cover on that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, please confirm. Everything is clear. Yeah. Right. So now, just what is the difference between random and choice? Uh, Random and choice, there is no difference. Random is a module. Choice is a method which is available in that random. Okay. Random is a module. In this module, we have so many functions are there. One of the function is choice. Like math dot factorial. Factorial is one of the function. Okay, Samir. Yeah. So just I'm launching one quiz which will be displayed on your screen. Please try to answer these quizzes, sir. Two questions are there. Yes, I want to see what is your interest. Yes, please. So I request every participant to please. Yes, still two more persons are. Yeah. So you can see 100% Python is very easy. Of course, you are interested to join almost 8 members, and one or two members are waiting to decision. Okay, no problem. So that's all about today's session, sir. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to start the syllabus, maybe some theory part, and then one or two programs like this we are going to cover. Okay, right. From tomorrow, the regular class is going to be started. Can you provide all these examples now? Yeah, I think yesterday we have shared running notes, right? That link you can use. Same link. Anyone is having that link? Can you please confirm? Anyone is having that link? 1 minute. Let me search. Okay, I will do that. Yeah, sir, I am sharing that link on the chat window. Could you please confirm is this link is working or not? Please give confirmation. Yeah, the syllabus and yesterday's class video, every link I am sharing on the chat window, sir. Please have a look once. The timings from 6 to 7:30, 40 days duration. That is before August 31st. We will complete this, and the fees 7,000. Contact number 9246212143. And please confirm is that link is working. That drive link, is it working? Yeah, right, sir. So remaining things we will meet for the continuation tomorrow. The people who are interested, you can start registering this course by paying the fee. Okay, avoid last time registrations. Okay, right. Thank you.